Assalamu alaikum friends! Welcome back to my art channel. Today I'm bringing a super spicy and colorful challenge for you, the half green, half red chili drawing challenge. This is going to be fun, unique, and satisfying to watch. So let's get started. First, we'll start with a light pencil sketch. Using smooth strokes, I'm drawing the outline of the chili, a long, curved shape, slightly pointed at the bottom and wider at the top. I'm also adding a small stem on top to complete the basic shape. Make sure your outline is clean because it will guide us for coloring later. Now comes the interesting part. I'm making a straight partition line right in the middle of the chili. This line will divide our drawing into two equal halves. On the left side, we will create a green chili, and on the right side, we'll turn it into a red chili. This half and half challenge is what makes the drawing special. Let's begin with the green side. I'm using a green marker to carefully fill in the left half. After that, I'll add some layers of green oil pastel to make it look more natural and shiny. I'm also blending the colors lightly to give a realistic texture, just like a fresh green chili. Now it's time to spice things up. On the right side, I'm filling it with a red marker first, making the base color bright and bold. Then I'll use red oil pastel on top to deepen the shade and add a shiny look. With a little bit of blending, it starts to look like a hot, fiery red chili. With the neat finishing, our chili looks sharp, vibrant, and super satisfying. Finally, I'm cleaning the outlines with a black so that both sides stand out clearly. And that's it, friends! Our half green, half red chili drawing challenge is complete. It looks so unique and eye-catching. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun art challenges like this one. Tell me in the comments, which side do you like more? The green chili or the red chili? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.